In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoho Mail to Gmail. This is a useful process if you're looking to streamline your email management by bringing all your emails into one central location. Let's get started without further ado. Firstly, open up your web browser and navigate to the Zoho Mail website. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't done so already. We'll need to access Zoho Mail to link it with Gmail effectively, ensuring that all configurations are set appropriately for a smooth integration. Next, head over to your Gmail account. Look towards the top right of your inbox and click on the Settings icon. From the menu, select the Accounts and Import tab. Here, you're looking for the option that says Add another email address. This feature enables you to manage multiple email addresses within a single Gmail account, allowing emails sent to your Zoho address to appear in your Gmail inbox. You'll then be prompted to enter the email address you wish to add. Go ahead and type in your Zoho email address. This step is crucial as it links your Zoho account to Gmail. Make sure that the typed email address matches your Zoho account to prevent any connectivity issues later on. Once you've entered your email, click on the Next button to proceed. This will take you to the next stage in the process where you'll need to input your credentials. Now, it's time to enter your Zoho email account password. Ensure your password is strong, combining letters, numbers, and special characters, while also remembering not to share it with anyone. If your email password is saved with a password manager, you can easily retrieve it to avoid mistyping. After entering your password, you'll need to choose a port. The port configuration ensures that the connection between Gmail and Zoho Mail is correctly established. Typically, port 465 or 587 is recommended for secure email communication. Finally, to complete the setup, click on Add Account. This step finalizes the connection process, allowing Gmail to integrate Zoho Mail seamlessly. If all the entries are correct, Gmail will verify this information, and afterwards you'll be ready to manage your Zoho emails directly within Gmail. That's it! You're done with connecting Zoho Mail to Gmail. Now you'll be able to receive and send emails from your Zoho email address directly from Gmail, making email management more convenient and efficient. If you encountered any issues, double-check your email and server settings as these could be potential sources of error. Thank you for watching and enjoy your newly integrated email experience.